Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Hamdo Sana. Hi, this is Iqra here. Today I am going to share with you how can we deal with depression, anxiety, stress, negative thoughts that we experience in our day-to-day life. I would like to ask you one question. What is the first thing that we do as soon as we wake up in the morning? What is it? Well, as soon as we wake up in the morning, the first thing we do is we check our phones. We check how many likes my pictures got, my friends' pictures got, as well as my frenemies' pictures got on Instagram or Facebook. Then we go on Snapchat. We check what new adventures my friends are doing and we think how perfect everyone's life is. We often compare our lives with others on social media. We start to think about how we can mask our sadness and portray a happy life. I want to ask you one question. Why do you think they are not masking their lives? They are not faking it and they have a perfect life. Why are you thinking in that way? Actually, the thing is, the world in which we live today, every other person tries to portray a happy life. Everyone tries to mask their sadness. No one wants to express their true feelings. Why is it so? Why don't we want to show our feelings or express our feelings? This is because we feel people will make fun of our feelings. They will judge us. They will think bad about us. So we stop sharing our feelings, even with our loved ones who love us, who care for us. And we create this fake environment around us that we are happy. Our life is perfect, though deep down inside we know how sad, how miserable, how hollow we feel. We have put ourselves in a never-ending competition. Oh, my friend went on a trip to Singapore. I'll plan a better trip. Oh, she got a 40-inch LED. I'll get a 60-inch. Will this greed ever end? What do you think? Can it end? It will keep on increasing if we'll be in this never-ending competition. By portraying this so-called perfect life, we can never ever be happy. But if we want, we can't end this competition. But if we want, we can overcome our feeling of depression and anxiety. It's all on us. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, we don't burden our soul more than it can bear. If you are in pain, you should know that you are very strong. God is testing you. We all suffer from depression. We all suffer from sadness. But we try not to share it. We try not to show it to people. It is when our condition even worsens. Everyone experiences these feelings. It exists in every single one of us. And it is completely normal. So I would suggest you to do one thing today. Today, go and hug someone you love the most. Your mother, your dad, your wife, your husband, your siblings, or your friend, or anyone you love. Say them, you love them. And if there is anything bothering you, share with them. You will feel so much better, inshallah. In my next video, I'll share with you ways to combat depression and anxiety, inshallah. Love you all so much. May Allah bless you with all the happiness in this world and the hereafter. Ameen. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. We'll see you in the next one, inshallah. Allah Hafiz. Jazakallah khair.